Today I'll show you how to create this letter poster design in Canva mobile. Go to Uploads and select the image, then resize it to fit. Click on Elements and type Letter Frames. Select your preferred letter. Resize the letter frame as needed. Click Uploads again, choose the image and drag it into the frame. Double-click the letter frame to select the image and resize it to fit with the background. Duplicate the letter frame and adjust the brightness to -100. Place the duplicate letter frame behind the original and adjust it. Use background remover, crop the image and download the transparent PNG file. Upload the PNG file. Replace the background with a color. Select the shadow option and reduce the distance. Duplicate the image and flip it vertically to create the reflection. Select a gradient or fade overlay from Elements. Change the color to match the background and position it as needed. Here's the final result. Check out the roadmap to earn from Canva and grab your exclusive freebies. Link is in the description. Subscribe for more quick Canva tips and creative tutorials. See you in the next one.